D, as D with the top 2 for Euros speed. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 1. We landed on the 1 this time. And we continue spinning. That's that. Hey! Hey! Here we go. New spins over here. Enjoy, everybody. Go look to you. That's our 3x on Crazy. Oh, on Cash-In, excuse me. I can't change the name now. Sorry. No, it's all good. It's all good. Just, yeah, I just thought that's a reference to me, but it was to get Dimitri. So, yeah, probably are all good. Oh, man. Don't tell me we are gonna be staying at the 1. Because I want crazy time, and I'm dumb. Let's see, we got the crazy time bonus right now here. Let's jump in all the way to the red room. Open up, we're coming for the multis. Welcome over here. This is the crazy time bonus round, ladies and gentlemen. Choose your flapper. You need it. You need to choose the flapper. It's green, blue, or yellow. You need to pick one of those 3. Otherwise, it'll be picked up randomly for you. 100x maximum. Enjoy. Double up the fun for the blue flapper. Ladies and gentlemen, it's 200x maximum. Enjoy. Oh, we're gonna double up the fun again. And this time you may get all the way up to 400x. Enjoy. That's a 400 for the blue flapper. Ladies and gentlemen, for the green border. The man. Here we go, everybody. The new spin's over here. You're so handsome with your new haircut. Oh, thank you, Zach. Thank you. Yeah, it's been 3 days already since I've got this haircut. Let's go. Good luck to you. Good actor, I salute to you. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you. 50x coin flip, by the way. And that's the 15x multi we're about to receive for the coin flip multiplier, so we're going to hit the coin flip bonus round, actually. Are you seeing my question and ignoring or just not seeing it? Bobby, no, I had just running very quickly, sir. I mean, honestly. Ooh, that's a 1. I'm joking, of course, this coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. We had so many coin flips. Well, welcome here. This is about to be super nervous. Let's take a look at where the mic is there. Potentially red side there, and 20 for the blue, close to the red. Smash the 15, and that's a 300 or a 30. Ladies and gentlemen, 300x for the blue, 30 for the red. Good luck. Yo, you got there. 300x. So 300 for this equivalent. Go home. 7. Yeah, congratulations, of course. That's Marco.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.